Match the colors. Wow, great. First one has been done for you. Purple. 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 Where is the purple color? No, no, no. Here is the purple color. Here is the purple. First one has been done for you. Next is green. 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 Where is the green color? Wow, here is the green. Now we match the green with the green. Here is the green. Next is red. 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 Where is the red color? Wow, here is the red color. Now we match the red with red. Next is yellow. 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 Here is the yellow. Wow, great. Next is orange. 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 Where is the orange? Orange color is with orange. Now make the color. You did well.